Hi, this is Jennifer at the New Home Experts, and today I'm going to give you a little bit of a behind the scenes look. I'm just about to take my brand new listing out here in beautiful Henderson in the gated Rose Ridge community. I'm going to give you a special treat because we have not yet had the home professionally staged, but I thought it'd be a fun time to walk around and then show you later this week, once of course I do have it professionally staged. So let's get started right now. So if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about new homes and resale homes here in Las Vegas, please go ahead and subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be in the know every time we drop a new video about new and resale homes here in Las Vegas. You get calls and texts every day from people just like you looking to make a move to Las Vegas, and we would love to help you make your dream of living here in Las Vegas a reality. So one of the things that I am doing is every time that I take a new listing here in Las Vegas, I do have it professionally staged. Now this home didn't have a lot of furniture in it, and the finishes are absolutely beautiful, and we really wanted to highlight, first of all, how great a floor plan this is and how beautiful the finishes are as well. So what we're taking the time to do before we officially go on the market is having this home professionally staged. I do want to give you a sneak peek though, just to see what it looks like before we make it beautiful. So let's go take a look around. So here we are. This house is just under 2,300 square feet. And this is what we're doing right now because the homeowner recently moved out and really has left us with this home as a blank slate. Now, I might have mentioned before, but I did actually work for this builder. This was built by Lennar, and this was one of their most popular floor plans. One of the reasons why is the primary bedroom is on the main level, meaning it's down on this level, plus there's an additional bedroom down. This home is built as a 4-bedroom, so upstairs that can be done either as a beautiful loft or as a 4th bedroom. So this house has a lot of versatility. Once we have it furnished, you're going to really be able to see how great these spaces are. And I have seen, of course, if you've ever seen some of the Lennar models, they do a great job in getting these furnished, so you can really get a sense of how nice these spaces are. This, of course, is the great room. Like I said, we're in the middle of staging right now, but this is a beautiful quartz countertop, stainless steel appliances as well. And I love these beautiful dark cabinets. Something to consider maybe after, if someone purchases it, is to put some hardware on these as well. That's certainly an option. And you have a really nice gas cooktop and a GE microwave. So this home, as far as finishes, are beautiful. It has this gorgeous, kind of like a wood-like faux wood tile finish, which I think is really pretty. It really lends itself to a lot of different design options as far as how you want this home to look. And let's go take a look at the bedroom down the hall as well. So down this hallway, you have, I love that they have some storage here. So this bedroom would have a bathroom here with a tub and shower. And this bedroom, I love this because we're going to be doing this as sort of like a teen girls room back here, which I think is going to be super adorable. This, of course, as well could make a great office space. I'm so excited to show you the final product. Kind of the reason why I'm dressed down is I do plan on helping our stager a little bit today, so of course I kind of look a little schleppy. This bathroom would also double as a bathroom for guests. This home would come with the washer and dryer. And I love the fact that it has all this extra storage in here. Really nicely done. Thank you, Peter, for showcasing that. Before we go look at the primary bedroom, we discovered, this is amazing. Come back here, you have all this storage. I'm gonna crawl all the way back here just to demonstrate. This goes all the way back. So you just have a tremendous amount of storage back here. I guess what they call it, the Harry Potter closet, right? But you could definitely put a person in there if you really wanted to. And then let's go take a quick look at the primary. Okay, so we did mention that the primary bedroom is here on the main level. Reminder, this is pre-staging. So Imagine some beautiful furniture in here, which there will be later. But I do love that the fact that it has a nice spacious bathroom. You do have dual sinks and a nice little place right here, possibly for makeup. You do have a good sized closet back here as well with some additional shelves. So really nice space here. Upstairs, as I mentioned, there was really two ways this floor plan was built. One is where there's just one bedroom upstairs, obviously with a full bath and then a really large loft. This particular one, they turned that really large loft into a potential bedroom space because there is a closet. So this really doubles as either a 3-bedroom plus a really nice loft space, or if you do truly need it as a 4-bedroom, this home is a absolutely fantastic option. Welcome to the upstairs. So this bedroom, in this case it is done as a bedroom, but you can see how enormous this space is. So this can be done as a loft space. In this case, there is a closet over here. So you can, of course, use this as a full bedroom. Obviously, it's really oversized. We're gonna furnish it more like a loft space because I think that's really truly what it was meant to be. But again, because it does come with this 4th bedroom, if you do truly need it, it's a great option. Come on, let's take a look at the bathroom real quick. Here you have tub and shower. So this is really the bedroom upstairs. Good sized bedroom. I kind of envision this more like, I have a friend who has this floor plan and she has her teen son up here and then uses the additional spaces really like his study, his teen room. I think it works fantastic that way. This floor plan lends itself to a lot of options depending on how your family lives, and a really nice way to utilize the spaces in a way that makes sense to you. A couple other things I want to mention is this is an absolutely incredible location. We are here in Henderson in the 89052 zip code. It is a gated community right here off of St. Rose Parkway. We are so close to Green Valley, the district, so many shops and restaurants over there. You're also really close to the freeway if you need to get to work on the strip. And we are really close to Southern Highlands as well. One other thing I want to mention is that this home does come with solar panels. What does that mean for you? It means that you have super ultra low energy bills all summer long. I think it was about $100 a month at the max this summer to run this house, which is obviously a great point as well. If you'd like more information about this property, please visit those details in our blog at thenewhomeexperts.com. I can't wait to show you the finished product because again, later this week, we are going to be officially putting this on the market, and I'm excited to show you once that project is completed, and I will, of course, will be in a better outfit. Until that time, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.